Hello everybody and welcome back to my video. My name is Manuel Kalde and this is my third project in my internship with codsoft. And in this video I have created a Python password generator using the Tkinkter GUI, which takes the number of lines from the user and automatically generates a password for them. I've used a random library and I've used Tkinkter to write this particular code. And to run the program, Python main.py, and now this is the GUI. I can write the username Emmanuel and enter my password length to be 9 and click generate password. Automatically it generates this password for me. Then I can click accept and it returns it properly here for me, and I can click reset to clear the screen. So this is how this password generator works. It helps you to take password that you may not think about, to mix letters and alphabet and numbers together. Thanks to codsoft.